What's up, guys? Just wanted to post a quick little video to remind you of Apple's iPhone 5 event tomorrow, where they're going to be announcing the new iPhone. So I'm going to be giving you a way to follow the live updates of it, even if you're not at your computer, as well as my predictions and stuff like that for tomorrow's event and the times and everything like that. So if you want the times, where to find live coverage, you can click the first link in the description. That will take you to my website, TazIPhoneHelp.com, and you can find all the times and everything like that for your time zone, so you know when it's actually going to be taking place. Now, I myself am going to be doing live coverage of the event via Twitter. I do this every time there's an Apple event. Sometimes I do a live show. I'm not doing it this time. I'm just going to do Twitter updates. So this is the best way pretty much for everybody. Everybody has Twitter. If you don't, you can sign up. But what you need to do, here is a video that I did already on the iPhone 5 event, talked about it the first time. All you need to do is hit show more. You may have to hit that, you may not. You may already see the link. But there's the link to my website. And then right here is the link to my Twitter. So what you can do is just click the link to my Twitter. It'll open up in a new page. And you need to be logged into Twitter. You need to go ahead and follow me on Twitter by hitting the little follow button right there. Don't hit unfollow if it says that. Just hit follow. That will actually show on your Twitter timeline all the updates I'm posting. I'll be posting up-to-the-minute updates of what's going on and what they're announcing at the Apple event, as well as pictures and stuff like that. So make sure you follow me at TazIPhoneHelp on Twitter. And if you want to, in case you're not going to be around your computer, what you can do, if you have, first you'll need to do this. You'll need to go to settings on Twitter, and then you'll need to go to mobile over here to the left. So go ahead and tap mobile. I can't do it. It'll show you my phone number. Just go ahead and tap mobile, and you can actually set it up so your phone is connected to Twitter. And then if you go to my Twitter page, you can actually follow me via SMS updates. So that way, if you don't have time to check Twitter on your computer or whatever, or you just want text message updates, that's the easiest way to get it, like if you're sitting in school or something like that. So you can tap right there and hit turn on mobile notifications. So what that'll do is every time I tweet, I will be tweeting a lot, take that into account. It will send you a text message straight to your phone, so you don't have to open up the Twitter app or anything like that. It's just an easier way to follow if you're like at school or work or something like that. So I'll just be tweeting out everything that they're announcing. I'm not going to be there. I'm going to be following all the other tech blogs. It's just the easier way to follow it is, in my opinion, my Twitter, because I'm going to give you all the info you need with all kinds of pictures and stuff like that. Now, as far as what they're going to be announcing, obviously they're going to be announcing the iPhone 5. I think that is going to be the name because of the image they sent out with the invitations to the event. Had a little 5 in the shadow with the number 12, which was the date it's taking place on, September 12th. Yeah, I think it's going to be a bigger iPhone. It's going to be taller with a 4-inch screen, smaller dock connector, micro SIM, maybe a better camera, 4G LTE, iOS 6. It's going to be really nice. I think it's pretty much just going to get it up on par with all the other Android phones out there right now. I don't think it is wowing, I guess, but we pretty much already know what the phone's going to look like if you've been following the rumors at all, because pretty much every part of the phone has been out. There's actually videos of supposedly what is the actual iPhone itself, and it's going to have a 2 color tone back. With this piece supposedly being liquid metal. Like there will be a little piece right here, little piece right here, and then liquid metal right here. It looks really nice. The phone's going to be thinner, it'll be taller, and pretty much look just like the iPhone 4 and 4S, just taller and thinner. I think it's going to be really nice. They may also announce a new iPod Touch there, and as well as some iPod Nanos and stuff like that. There's been an iPad Mini rumored, if you've heard about that. I don't think they will announce the iPad Mini, and that's what the current rumors are saying, that will be a separate event later in October. But that's pretty much, my predictions are what the rumors have been. I think there's going to be a new iPhone out, and hopefully they will surprise us with some stuff that we haven't heard about in rumors, or maybe even just in iOS 6. I'm excited. What are you guys looking forward to? Is there anything you think they will announce that hasn't been rumored, or what's your opinions on what's going to happen tomorrow? I'd love to know it in the comments down below. There's a quick little update. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Tomorrow, Apple event, new iPhone.